Hey, Amy, how are you feeling today?
Not very good. I kind of am sick a little bit.
Well, have you been taking your medicine?
Not enough. Listen to my cough.
Oh, wow, that is bad.
I know. Can you help me feel better?
Sure. What would you like me to do?